Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the full-sized Echo Show. So you can see this is pretty large. Go ahead and show you guys the box. It's got an Intel processor that's pretty impressive. Alright, let's go ahead and get this show on the road. So you can see the device is so large it has a carrying handle to remove it. You can tell it's pretty hefty. Let's go ahead and see what's probably the instruction manual. So you guys can see the carrying case it came in. That's its general shape. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrap here. This is very impressive. Amazon never seems to skip on presentation. It does have a rubber pad on the bottom. The buttons. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. The power brick. Can't do anything without that. This is a pretty large power brick. It's a 30-watt charger, and it looks like it's just a standard port used on like the Echo Dot 3rd generation. I do believe that is the end of our unboxing. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to unbox next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.